Hi kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. We're going to continue our work this week with our influenced vowels. We're going to be looking at some of our spellings this week and what sounds those make with the R influenced vowel. So for instance, up top we have our spelling of ER, which makes the sound. Then we have EAR, which also makes the sound. So you're going to have the sound with two different spellings, so be careful studying that this week. But then you also have EAR, ERE, and EER that actually make the ear sound. So be careful of the EAR because it can make the sound or the ear sound. So we're really going to look at those spellings this week, and we're really going to say the words and hear the sounds. So I'm going to go through our list and I'll read the words to you, and then we'll do and talk about some of the sorting. Our first word in our first column, we have mercy, career, spearmint, kernel, sincere, rehearse, adhere, and yearn. Adhere means to stick something to something else. Then we have early, severe, sermon, kind of like a speech normally given in church, pearly, hermit, appear, dreary, and serpent. Then we have nearby, earthquake, teardrop, yearbook, learner, thermist, cheerful, and nearly. You'll notice a couple of compound words in there too, two words put together. So let's take a look at our first heading. We have, as one of our headers, we have mercy. So your ER in this case is sounding like you are, so you're going to put that under that column. Then you have early, where EAR is making the UR sound as well. This is where the ER changes. Here we hear nearby, so you're actually hearing the ear word or the ear sound there. Career, same as the ending, EER says ear, and then severe, ERE also says ear. So you're going to be looking and listening, looking at spelling, listening for those sounds. Is it or ear, and how is it spelled? If you have any questions about any of the meanings of the words, please raise your hand and we can come around and help you. It's time to grab your scissors, and happy sorting.